Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel Pappu Career Guide, a complete guide for all your career needs. So friend, in this video I'm going to discuss about two important updates which is coming from the Cognizant Gen C. Like first update is from Cognizant result evaluation is in process, and second update is your document submission and verification. So let's start this video. And friend, after this video I am going to I am going to create one another video for replying to all your comment in my previous video. Okay, लाइक जो मैंने वीडियो बनाया था इसमें मैंने बताया था कि जो है रिजेक्शन आ रहे हैं बहुत लोगों को, कुछ लोगों को रिजेक्शन देखने को आ रहा है आफ्टर बीजीबी, तो उसका मैं इसके बाद वाला वीडियो में आप लोगों को मैं डाउट क्लियर करूंगा, तो इसके बाद वाला वीडियो आप लोग जरूर देखना फ्रेंड, ठीक है, बहुत ज़्यादा इन्फॉर्मेशन आपको मिलने वाला है. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट दिस वीडियो फ्रेंड. यू कैन सी ऑन माई स्क्रीन फ्रेंड, ठीक है. तो फिर आपको देखने को मिल रहा होगा, मैं पहले मेल को यहाँ पर जूम करता हूँ. कॉग्निजेंट ऑफ कैंपस ड्राइव रिजल्ट इवैल्यूएशन इज इन प्रोसेस. ओके, थैंक यू फॉर टेकिंग द टाइम ऑफ अप्लाई फॉर द. फिर देखिए, तो वी वुड लाइक टू कीप यू इन्फॉर्म दैट द रिजल्ट evaluation is in process and we will be updated shortly on the final result. Request your patience, we truly appreciate your interest in our company. फिर बता दो फ्रेंड, ये देखोगे तो Cognizant Gen C प्रोग्राम. ओके, तो फ्रेंड, so this mail is only indicate that your result is now processed. Okay, so this doesn't indicate that you are rejected or you are going to be rejected and you are going to be selected. Okay, because lots of candidates are there who are asking the same questions. I received this mail, what this mail indicate about. So this mail is only indicate that your result is in process. Okay, तो यहाँ पर 50-50% chance है that you are going to be selected or rejected, but there are a high probability that you are going to be selected. Okay, because आपको बता दो फ्रेंड, कॉग्निजेंट ऑलरेडी बहुत सारे लोगों को ले चुकी है जेएनसी प्रोफाइल के लिए, पेट्रोल के लिए, प्रोग्राम एनालिस्ट ट्रेनिंग. सो राइट नाउ दे आर more focusing on the quality students, quality candidates. That's why they are sending this type of mail. Because let's suppose अगर उनके पास 1000 वैकेंसी था, ओके, let's suppose I'm just गिविंग ऑन एग्जाम्पल, लेट्स सपोज 1000 कैंडिडेट्स थे, जिसमें फ्रेंड जो है 900 ऑलरेडी आ चुके हैं, ऑलरेडी उनका पास आ चुका है. जो 100 उनको वैकेंसी चाहिए आउट ऑफ मान लो कि 20,000 है, ठीक है. तो 20,000 में ऑलरेडी 1000, मतलब मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ बस 1000 ऑलरेडी 1000 चाहिए था उनको. तो जिसमें वो लोग ऑलरेडी 900 कैंडिडेट दे आर ऑलरेडी टेकन एंड ओनली 100 रिमेनिंग, एंड ऑल 100 रिमेनिंग लाइक उस पोस्ट के लिए खाली है. बट अभी कैंडिडेट कितने बचे हुए हैं, लेट्स सपोज 19,000. तो 19,000 जो भी रिमेनिंग कैंडिडेट्स है दे आर गोइंग टू बी रिसीव दिस टाइप ऑफ मेल, बिकॉज अभी आप लोग का एवेल्युएशन होगा और ये बहुत ज़्यादा टाइट एवेल्युएशन होने वाला है. ओके, आफ्टर दिस एवेल्युएशन यू आर गेटिंग, आफ्टर दिस एवेल्युएशन ओनली 100 स्टूडेंट्स आर एलिजिबल. आई एम जस्ट गिविंग यू वन एग्जाम्पल. ओके, that's why they are sending this type of mail, because you know that lots of candidates are there who are still waiting for their HR mail and TR mail as well. That's why they are sending this type of mail. Okay, so let's move to the second update. Okay, so friend, here you can see on my screen friend. Okay, just I'm keeping it zoom. Okay, Cognizant background verification process document submitted successfully. Okay, so friend, this type of mail you will receive after submitting all your documents in the like in your one Cognizant, or you can say C2C. Okay, where you uploaded all your documents and all your 17 to 18 documents. Okay, so friend, I'm just taking one. Here you can see friend. Okay, thank you for your thank you. We have received your document you have uploaded in our onboarding portal. We will initiate the background verification based on the document submitted and information provided. In case the document uploaded by you are not insufficient or for verification, we might request you to upload the additional supporting document to complete the verification. It's mean, what does this mean? In this line indicate that, okay, means देखो, if you are not meeting their eligibility criteria of 60%, then you are going to be rejected, no issue. But what this particular line indicate that if let's suppose you are uploading one document and the document picture is not very clear and not showing, let's suppose your 12th mark sheet, your score is not showing very clearly, at the time they will ask you please upload another supporting document so that they will verify for the same. Okay, that's why this line only indicate your if your any documents are not visible and not clear, and something like if you done with diploma in second year of like if you done diploma after 12th, and after diploma you taken admission in second year of the BTech, then you have a 1 year of gap. In that case you have to upload the appropriate documents for the same. Okay, so that they can verify your education gap. Are you getting my point, friend? So that's why they are written you are not sufficient for verification. Okay, by not sufficient verification, we might request you to upload the additional supporting documents. Okay, that's why they are returning. It's not indicate that you, if you have a less than 60%, and they will ask you please upload another result that you have a more than 60%. No, they will not ask any type of this silly question. Okay, because you know that if you're not meeting their eligibility criteria of 60%, they will 110% going to be rejected you. Either you have a 59.9% and whatever percentage you got. If you have a 60%, then it's fine. Okay, and it's your 60% is your overall. Okay, means all subject contain your all overall, not a aggregate, like not a single subject. Okay, overall you have a 60% in BTech, like first to 8 semester you have a all together you have to create, like got a 60% and 6 CGPA. What your college follow the CGPA conversion, so see them and convert as for the same. Okay, if you have a 7 semester is less than 60% or 6 CGPA, then don't worry. If your overall is 60%, or after converting your CGPA percentage to CGPA to percentage, then if you're getting a higher than like 60%, then you are eligible. Okay, so this type of mail, so this is the information. Okay, so friend, I think so I discussed to the points. Okay, so I discussed, and I discussed after this a new mail update which is coming from the document submission mail, and the result evaluation is in process. Okay, so wait for some more time. You are going to be received soon for the result for the same. Okay, and wait for the second video. I'm going to be soon upload that video for solving your queries. So मिलते हैं, जय हिंद, जय भारत.